Hey there traders! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tips and strategies on Forex trading. I'm your host, and today, we have an exciting goal to achieve. That's right, we're going to show you how to meet your trading goals in just 1 week. So, grab your notebooks and get ready, because we're about to dive into the world of Forex trading like never before. Step 1. Setting the goal. In the world of Forex trading, setting realistic and achievable goals is the key to success. It's important to know where you're headed and how to get there. So, let's start by setting our goal for this week. Our goal is to achieve a 10% profit in just 1 week. Now, this might sound ambitious, but with the right strategies, discipline, and a little luck, it's definitely possible. So, let's dive into the strategies that will help us achieve this goal. Step 2. Research and analysis. Before we make any trades, it's important to do our research and conduct thorough analysis. We need to identify the right currency pairs, study market trends, and analyze the news that might impact the Forex market. Technical analysis allows us to identify patterns from historical data, while fundamental analysis helps us understand the economic factors affecting the currency pairs. By combining both, we can greatly increase our chances of making profitable trades. Step 3. Implementing strategies. Now that we have done our research, it's time to implement our strategies. We're going to focus on 3 key strategies that have proven to be highly effective. Strategy number 1, trend trading. Strategy number 2, breakout trading. Strategy number 3, risk management. Step 4. Tracking progress. One of the most crucial aspects of achieving our goal is monitoring our progress. Tracking each trade and keeping a trading journal helps us learn from our successes and failures. It allows us to fine-tune our strategies and improve our decision-making. Step 5. Results and celebration. So, after a week of intense trading, it's time to see whether we achieved our goal or not. But before that, let's take a moment to appreciate the effort and dedication we put into reaching this milestone. Remember, trading is not just about the end result, but also about the journey and the lessons learned along the way. Now, let's see the results. Goal for the week, 10% profit. And the final result is, we have not only achieved but exceeded our goal. A whopping 12.5% profit in just 1 week. We did it, traders. We proved that with the right strategies, discipline, and perseverance, meeting your trading goals in a week is absolutely possible. Thank you all for joining us on this incredible journey. Remember, trading is not about luck, it's about knowledge and continuous improvement. So keep learning, keep practicing, and keep trading smart. Until next time, happy trading!